Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my delicious Reese's Peanut Butter Cup ice cream from scratch. Now, this consists of a homemade peanut butter flavored custard-based ice cream. And when we add it into the ice cream maker, we add some mini Reese's Peanut Butter Cups right on in there. This recipe calls for about 1 to 2 servings, or you can just have it for yourself. It's a great summertime treat, especially if you like chocolate and peanut butter. It's absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you'll need to make your Reese's Peanut Butter Cup ice cream. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need some heavy whipping cream, whole milk, large eggs at room temperature, sugar, salt, natural peanut butter, vanilla extract, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, the mini version. And for your tools, you will need an ice cream maker. Now this is a 1.5 quart ice cream maker by Cuisinart. And lastly, you will need an airtight container or bowl to put your ice cream in. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. So I'm gonna crack this egg here. And I'm gonna just take the egg whites and place them into this small bowl here. And from there, I'm going to take the egg yolks and place them into this separate medium-sized bowl. Okay, with our medium-sized bowl with our egg yolks, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of sugar and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to take my whisk and just stir this until combined. I'm going to mix this vigorously for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Alright, that looks good. As you can see, that's a nice pale yellow color. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, let's get started with heating up our milk and cream mixture. So in this medium-sized pot, I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this get hot for about, I would say about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of natural peanut butter. Now you could use the other kind of peanut butters with the vegetable oil if you want. I'm going to just take my whisk and I'm going to stir all the ingredients together. And you're going to stir this until the peanut butter combines with the milk mixture. It smells like peanut butter already. There we go. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Okay, so while I'm stirring this, I'm going to add the hot milk and cream and peanut butter mixture in here 3 separate times. And this is called the tempering method. It prevents the eggs from turning into scrambled eggs. It prevents them from cooking. Make sure you stir it really good. There we go. Preheat your fire to medium-low heat. Pour your custard mixture back into the same medium-sized pot. Just pour it right back in there. Now you're going to take a spatula or a wooden spoon, either one. I'm going to use my spatula today. And I'm just going to stir this continuously for about 6 minutes. Alright, it's been about 6 minutes now and our mixture should be slightly thick. And it is ready. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Now here I have a medium-sized bowl. I added a mesh strainer in there. Now I'm going to pour the peanut butter custard based mixture into the mesh strainer. Okay, now I'm going to remove my mesh strainer out of there. Now as you can see inside the strainer, there's some little pieces of peanuts. That of course came from the peanut butter mixture. So we're just going to add that back in there. Now if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. But you also want to pay attention to the very bottom, because if there's egg particles in your mesh strainer and if your custard mixture has a strong eggy like smell, then you overcook your custard and you'll have to make it over. Alright, so you want to pay attention to that. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give it a quick stir. Okay, here I have some plastic wrap. From there, I'm going to take the plastic wrap and I'm just going to add it on top of the peanut butter custard mixture. That's going to prevent that skin from forming at the top. I'm going to cover this Place this into your refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours, but since I'm a patient guy, I'm going to place this into my refrigerator overnight. Okay, here's our ice cream maker base. Now you want to freeze this for about 24 to 48 hours before you make your ice cream, or according to your instructions on your ice cream maker's manual. Okay, here's our custard mixture. I let mine sit overnight, of course, and I'm going to remove the plastic wrap off. Spatula to remove some of the custard mixture off of the plastic wrap. And from there, I'm going to give this one last final quick stir. Now we're ready to churn our ice cream. I'm going to turn the ice cream maker on. Pour your custard mixture into the base of your ice cream maker. Let this churn for 10 minutes. Add 7.6 ounces in weight, that's the entire bag, of the Reese's mini peanut butter cups right on in there. Let this churn for an additional 15 minutes. Alright, it's been about 25 minutes total that we let this churn. And as you can see, the ice cream isn't moving. That lets us know that the ice cream is ready. Now I'm going to turn the ice cream maker off. Right, let me remove this. And I'm going to carefully remove the agitator from the ice cream maker. And we're just going to place that right into this bowl here. And from there, I'm just going to remove the ice cream from the agitator and just add it into the bowl. Get as much of the ice cream off of the agitator as much as possible. All right, that looks good. And whatever ice cream that's left over in the ice cream maker base, you just take a spatula and just try to get as much out of there as possible. Now I'm going to take my spoon. I'm just going to spread the ice cream around while it's inside the bowl. And from there, I'm going to cover this. I'm going to place this into my freezer for about 4 to 8 hours. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Ice Cream, made by New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including for this delicious homemade peanut butter cup ice cream. You can go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. I'm working with 1 scoop of ice cream today, y'all. I can't believe this. Yeah. Man, the ice cream is so nice and creamy. It has a wonderful peanut butter flavor. And those peanut butter cups, when you bite into them, they just melt in your mouth. Y'all, if you love peanut butter and you love chocolate, you're going to love this ice cream. It is absolutely delicious. So, give the recipe a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.